صعب في الظروف نتاع المباراة هذه، الظروف اللي لا جول. لوكاكو يسجل جول أول في الدقيقة 84. لوكاكو يسجل هدفه الخامس في دوري الأبطال. هل هذا الهدف متأخر؟ إلى أي مدى هو متأخر؟
It's Sarabia on the turn in for Ben Yedder. Buys the defender. Ben Yedder finally beats David De Gea.
And such a lovely slip pass here. He's onside. Bailly, who's made a note for Manchester United to build out of the back and then hit them on the counter-attack. It has been coming. They knows how important that is.
Oh, that's a great ball he's found there, though. Lucas Vazquez towards the back post. Cristiano Ronaldo, there it is. He's done it again. 8 games, scored in every one of them in the Champions League, and he's probably settled this tie right there.
Well, it's a wonderful, wonderful goal. Fabulous header on the end of it, yes, but you've got to say Dani Alves gives the ball away and they break off him. They break, and my word, beautiful play from Asensio. A little pass, and I think we'll see a little, there we have Alves there, sloppy, and he breaks, and he's got...
No foul. Here's Oxlade-Chamberlain. He can hit one! Oh, he can hit one! That is an absolute screamer from Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain, and Liverpool double their lead after 20 minutes at Anfield, and that is a rocket from Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain. Liverpool 2, Manchester City 0. What a hit by Oxlade-Chamberlain. Scored in the Premier League. Might take it on, he does, and scores again. And Manchester City have their 4th goal.
Tomó al arquero haciendo un mal recorrido porque nunca pensó que le iba a pegar desde ahí. Aquí viene el tiro.
No lo vi, ¿quién fue? Ah, sí.
Sí, es Nemanja Matic, el que termina pegándole abajo.
Fíjate, ¿sabes quién se me...
Mo Salah goes for it again. The staunch, and Liverpool 1-0. No chance. Mo Salah! No pressure on. One touch, open your body up and bang. In 83. And then Ronaldo! Oh! Sensational! The greatest marksman in the history of the Champions League with an absolute beauty!
My word, if you pipe up to us, all the Juventus fans around us are on their feet applauding. What an incredible sight you can see around the ground, not just the Real Madrid fans.
Se apresentando ao técnico Tite, olha o cruzamento. Gol!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.